Now I'm finna do some real shit. Finna do some real shit. Alright. So I'm walking down the street and I'm walking down 139. It's at the stop sign and my bitch Shannon live on the right. Yeah, and the little kid right across from the skateboard. I'm fucking bored. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere right now. My bitch going to this other nigga house now. I told her don't fucking go. Don't do that shit. It's wrong, bitch. Don't be no fucking hoe. I'm going to see my fucking sister. The little boy just flip off his skateboard. What a booster. I mean a motherfucking bummer. That shit was scandalous, but you gotta fall. Get back up, do it all. Don't fucking play, nigga, ball. I'm ready to smoke a motherfucking blunt. We just smoked a roach and I feel high as fuck. I'm not giving a fuck. We smoke fat blunts, but that roach put me out and I'm high as fuck. We going to the bus stop. 210 though. We could go to Rosecrans, get the 710 though. Don't play with me, I'm ready to smoke another fucking blunt. Go to donut shop and get 2 compounds for the blunt. Where the fucking weed at? Where the trees at? It's so green where I be at. Green leaves all around. That's all I smoke. That's all I smoke. You know I get down. I get down with the motherfucking blunt. Twist that shit out and smoke it to the head. What? We getting faded. We get real high. We get money all the way to the fucking sky. We own. We own as fuck. Don't play with me, bitch. What? You get bust up. Yeah, we going to the motherfucking bus. Get bust up and disrespect the bitch. Fucking play. I don't give a fuck. We going to turn it up. One time it's Sunday and a nigga stood me up. Stood me up to go to church. Ain't that shit scandalous? The nigga did me dirt. I wanted to pray to my God. Ain't too much to ask for. Oh, why not? Man, that shit is scandalous as fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to turn it up.